There's something irresistibly comforting about a spoonful of creamy peanut butter. Whether you spread it on toast, blend it into a smoothie, or simply enjoy it straight from the jar, this rich, velvety delight never fails to satisfy. Peanut butter has a unique ability to tempt even the most disciplined of us. Its creamy texture and nutty flavor create a sensory experience that's hard to match. The moment you twist off the lid, the aroma of freshly roasted peanuts hits your senses, drawing you in for that first irresistible taste. Peanut cultivation is an exciting adventure that starts in the ground and culminates in a delicious snack. You'll get a step-by-step look at every process today, from peanut butter to soil preparation. So unwind and take pleasure in this educational video. Peanuts are not nuts, despite what many people think. They are underground growing legumes. Peanuts require particular field conditions and care due to their unique growing process. The field has been cleared first. This entails clearing away stones, weeds, leftover crop residue, and other debris. A better pegging procedure later on is the result of maintaining cleared fields. At this point, farmers frequently test the soil. These tests aid in determining the pH, nutrient content, and deficiencies of the soil. Soil that has a pH of neutral to slightly acidic is ideal for peanuts. Tilling loosens the soil before peanuts are planted. This guarantees that there are no large clumps and that it is well aerated. After that, a hoe or other tools are used to create rows in the fields. The row-to-row distance is typically between 24 and 36 inches, depending on the type of equipment being used. You plant peanut seeds 1 to 1.5 inches deep. This depth is essential because it keeps the seeds from being buried too deeply while guaranteeing they receive adequate soil coverage. Inside the rows, seeds are spaced 2 to 4 inches apart. Each plant will have enough room to grow without having to compete with nearby plants for nutrients if it is spaced properly. Some farmers use sophisticated machinery, such as John Deere's MetaMerge 5 planter, which can perform all tasks simultaneously, including tilling and sowing, thanks to its state-of-the-art sensors and sowing system. To guarantee the highest yield and quality, it is essential to know when to harvest peanuts. Varieties may differ in how long they take to grow. Some, for example, mature in 120 days, while others may take 150 days or longer. The color of the peanut shells on the inside is one of the best markers of peanut maturity. Harvesting peanuts is no small feat, and it all starts with the arrival of these mighty machines in the fields. Known for their sheer power and efficiency, these mechanical giants roll into the fields, ready to get to work. Their first task? Loosening the peanuts from the soil. As these machines move across the rows of peanut plants, they dig deep into the earth, carefully lifting the plants and turning them inside out. This process is crucial, as it exposes the peanuts to the sun, allowing them to dry naturally, a key step in preserving their quality and flavor. The real beauty of these machines lies in their ability to perform such a delicate task with such power. They don't just uproot the plants, they gently shake them, loosening the peanuts from the roots while ensuring the plants are turned just right. This step is vital in preparing the peanuts for the next stage of their journey. Once the plants are lifted and turned, they are left to dry in the sun for a few days. This natural drying process reduces the moisture content of the peanuts, ensuring they are ready for the next phase, picking and cleaning. After the peanuts have dried, it's time for the real heavy lifting. Here comes another set of beast machines, designed to pick up the dried plants and separate the peanuts from any remaining debris. These machines, equipped with advanced technology, make quick work of what would otherwise be a labor-intensive process. With a combination of power and precision, these machines scoop up the plants, shake off any excess dirt or debris, and carefully collect the peanuts in a hopper. The result is a clean, ready-to-process batch of peanuts, harvested with a level of efficiency that only modern machinery can achieve. The introduction of these advanced harvesting machines has revolutionized peanut farming, making it faster, more efficient, and more sustainable. By reducing the time and labor required to harvest peanuts, farmers can produce higher yields, ensure better quality, and ultimately bring more peanuts to market. Moreover, these machines have allowed farmers to meet the growing global demand for peanuts. For example, China, the world's largest producer of peanuts, relies heavily on this technology to harvest an astounding 20 million tons of peanuts each year. Without these machines, meeting such demand would be nearly impossible. Farmers deliver their harvested peanuts to a peanut drop-off facility so they can be processed, stored, or sold. In the post-harvest stage of peanut production, These facilities are essential. The peanuts are weighed when they arrive in order to calculate the total amount. Before being stored, the peanuts are dried until their moisture content is 10% or less. This can be accomplished with forced air in specialized drying facilities or with natural sun drying. Peanuts can be kept for long periods of time without suffering a major loss in quality once they achieve the proper moisture content. The peanuts are inspected by official inspectors at the purchasing station. They evaluate the quality of peanuts, including the amount of high-quality meat, dimensions, moisture level, any harm or undesired substances combined with. This examination determines the value of the peanuts. Once the peanuts are harvested and transported from the fields, the first step in making peanut butter is cleaning. The raw peanuts often arrive with bits of soil, stones, plant debris, and even small twigs. At the processing facility, the peanuts go through cleaning machines that blow away lighter debris and sift out heavier particles like stones or dirt. After cleaning, it's time to remove the shells. The peanuts are sent through dehelling machines, which crack open the hard outer shells and release the peanut kernels. Once deshelled, the kernels, the part we eat, are separated from the shell fragments. EXT comes grading, an essential quality control step. Peanuts are graded and sorted based on size, color, and quality. Inspectors or machines check for any damaged or discolored peanuts, which are removed from a batch. Only the best peanuts move forward. Grading ensures the final peanut butter has a consistent flavor, texture, and quality. Now, for the fun part, turning peanuts into peanut butter. First, the grated peanuts are roasted to bring out their natural oils and enhance the flavor. Roasting times and temperatures vary, but this step gives peanut butter its signature rich, nutty taste. After roasting, peanuts are cooled and then blanched to remove their thin, papery skins. The roasted, skinless peanuts are fed into grinders. They are ground slowly and finely, turning into a creamy paste. Sometimes a second grinding makes the texture extra smooth. At this stage, salt, sugar, and sometimes a little oil are added, depending on the recipe. Once the peanut butter reaches its perfect creamy or crunchy consistency, it's time for the final step. After grinding and mixing, the finished peanut butter is transferred to large holding tanks that keep it at a controlled temperature, usually slightly warm. This ensures the peanut butter remains smooth and flowable for easy filling. The peanut butter flows through sanitary stainless steel pipes into automatic filling machines. These machines are designed to dispense precise amounts of peanut butter into each jar, whether it's an 8-ounce, 16-ounce, or family-size container. The filling is done quickly but carefully, often under vacuum conditions to eliminate air pockets. This helps prevent oxidation, ensuring the peanut butter stays fresh for longer. Consistent filling guarantees every jar weighs the correct amount and meets product standards. Air removal also improves shelf life and prevents spoilage. Once filled, the jars move down the conveyor belt to the sealing station. A foil seal or vacuum-sealed lid is applied immediately. The foil layer, common in natural and organic brands, helps create an airtight barrier, while vacuum-sealed lids create negative pressure, preventing contaminants from entering. Some jars are also heat-sealed for an extra layer of protection. Proper sealing locks in freshness and prevents leaks, contamination, or spoilage during storage and shipping. After sealing, jars are cooled and sent through an automated labeling system. Labels are carefully applied, displaying brand name and logo, nutritional facts, ingredients list, expiration date, and batch number, helpful for quality tracking. Some labels even include allergen warnings, recipe suggestions, or eco-friendly packaging claims. After labeling, the jars are often checked by quality control teams to ensure labels are straight, readable, and properly adhered. Labeled jars are grouped into boxes, usually by the dozen or as per retailer specifications. The boxes are stacked on pallets, shrink-wrapped, and prepared for shipment. From here, they head off to distribution centers, grocery stores, or even directly to customers. And there you have it. From preparing the soil to processing at the drop-off facility, peanut making is a methodical and rewarding journey. Whether you're enjoying them roasted or as peanut butter, there's a lot of work that goes into every bite.